Introducing pHin, the smart way to take care of your pool or hot tub. Here's how it works. pHin uses state-of-the-art technology to monitor your water chemistry 24/7. pHin then calculates what chemicals are needed and sends you recommendations on what you should add to bring your water into perfect balance. It's pretty simple. Monitor, notify, add. So when you're ready, you can skip the toe dip and jump right in.
Set out for new goals. With the Ameo Power Breather, you improve your technique, strengthen your endurance and respiratory muscles. For the first time, its smart valve system separates exhalation and inhalation. Therefore, you can swim as long and as intensive with it as you like. Its ergonomic design always gives you a clear view. You are steady in the water and don't have to turn the head for breathing. This is a relief, particularly for inexperienced crawl swimmers. But what is the difference compared to the snorkel? With a classic snorkel, always exhaled air stays in the system. Therefore, more carbon dioxide is inhaled. Performance drops. The Ameo Fresh Air system is different. It passes exhaled air and moisture consistently to the outside. The breathable air stays rich in oxygen and dry. The Ameo Power Breather. 100% fresh air for 100% endurance performance. With the Power Breather, even fast flip turns are possible. Perfect fit at the head. No pressure, no bother. Thanks to the EasyFit Air Junction, the mouthpiece is flexible and comfortable to wear. Speed vents for pool and open water, as well as with different breathing resistance, are available. The twist lock system provides safe hold for any head size. One single action is all it takes. Welcome at a new swimming dimension. Welcome to the world of the Amio Power Breather.